Afternoon guys, and welcome to my channel, more specifically to my garage. So this afternoon I am going to be giving my BMW, I'm going to give the headers a nice good scrub as they're looking rather filthy. As you can see, the Gicks are in the background there, and all I need for this job for today is some rags, Autosol, some scrub pads, a bit of blue tissue paper and a bit of WD40. Okay, nice easy job, and all I'm going to be doing is getting in there and bringing those back to a nice shine, as they're looking absolutely minging at the moment. So it's a shame they're not titanium, they wouldn't be in that condition then. So that's the job for this afternoon. Hopefully it won't take too long, and hopefully they turn out well. So only a couple of seconds in, and already that's just from spraying a bit of WD-40 on there. As you can see, it's taken a lot of muck off, and it's had one lot of Autosol. And as you can see already, see if I can put the light on, there we go, you can see there the difference it's making. So I'm going to give it a couple more coats of Autosol polish and try and get most of that crud off. So, and hopefully they start to look a bit cleaner, and then I'll give everything else a good wash outside with the sponge and bucket before hosing her down. So she deserves a bit of maintenance and a bit of a scrub. It's been a couple of months now, and hopefully she starts looking back in pristine condition. Fingers crossed. Whew. Well guys, it's coming along slowly. I've got one pipe done, just using that blue rag, well, blue cloth, spraying it with a bit of WD-40, just running it up and down, taking majority of the muck off. And then I'm using one of my rags. It's like when you're in the military, you're bulling your boots. So I'm basically just putting a little bit of Autosol on that, and just, you know, small little circles, and just rubbing it in. And I'll show you what I've done so far. There you go. So that's one pipe already pretty much done. Obviously it's going to be a bit of a handful trying to get into these bits here. I really can't be asked taking off the skid plate after I've just put it on. But I've already run that up once already, and I mean, you can see the muck there coming off with the WD-40. And then I'm literally just giving it a little bit of Autosol and just slowly rubbing it in, and it's gradually changing from that colour, and it's going to be back into a shiny silver. So job's going well at the moment. Once that's done, I'm going to take her back outside, and I'm going to get the sponge and bucket and give her a proper clean, as she is, poor girl's looking mighty a bit dirty, whereas the Gicks are over there. Oh, she's absolutely pristine and spotless because she's not been used in a while. So bear with me, I'll get this done, and then I'm going to give her a nice a bath. Alright, cheers guys.